Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you use Klarna on Footlocker. So let's get into the video. So what you can do if you want to make an order on Footlocker, we're using the Klarna method. So what you can do, you can use the Klarna card to do that, right? So what you can do firstly, just as usual, just go to a Footlocker site and then choose any item that you wish to purchase and add it to your cart. Right, add it to your cart and get to the session where you go to once you where you go to like checkout, add it to your cart and just hit on checkout, and then get to this page here where you go to put your contact information and then your shipping address and all those information there. And then here when we get to payment, okay, this is where we're going to look at it. So when you get to payment option here, so what are you going to do? There are there you should see Klarna, or like you will see different types of payment options here. And you will see if your region supports Klarna, you should see a Klarna option here. Like some this depends on the location. It varies depending on the location. Like for me, like instead of Klarna, I have the afterpay option because my region supports afterpay, so I have the afterpay options. But if your region supports Klarna, then you should have Klarna here. So you can just select Klarna and then pay with it. So like how I have afterpay here, and then you can just pay with Klarna. You can do that. Or if you don't have that, then there's another way that you can do. Just select the credit option here. Select the credit option here, and once you select the credit option here, it's going to ask you for your card details. So what you can do, you can provide in your Klarna card details. So for example, if you get to your if you open up your Klarna card, so for example, so you can generate your this is a Klarna digital card, so you can generate this using the app. If you need help with generating this Klarna card, so there's a separate video in our channel. You can look into it and for the process. So that's it. So if you already have a card generated, so what you can do, you can, this is actually a prepaid debit card, so it's actually a Visa card. So you can simply use this instead of the credit card. So you can use the details here, so the card number and everything. So you can use that, and then you can use this information and then plug that information here under the credit details, and then you can proceed. You can place your order and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.